Cheers. Yay, it's Friday. What can I make with my cucumber juice actually?
Yes, Friday vibes. If you've got cucumber juice, especially frozen, you should totally make a quick cucumber gin cocktail. Just drop those cubes in a glass, pour in some gin, and top it with tonic water. It's super refreshing and perfect for kicking off the weekend.
Thank you. I've actually got 3 of those, but I don't have any tonic water left. Can I use another thing?
Oh yeah, 3 cucumber cubes is perfect. And if you mean you don't have any tonic water, you can absolutely use soda water instead. It'll still be bubbly and refreshing. The cucumber and gin combo carries a lot of flavor already, so soda works great for a quick fix.
Perfect. I'll go with that one. Thank you. Happy Friday, y'all. I grabbed my gin and tonic glass on my way. So yeah, it's Friday. Happy Friday to you all. I'm in a good mood. I've got this frozen cucumber water or juice cubes. So basically I was making a tzatziki last weekend and I was just grating my cucumber and then I needed to press it really hard to get the water out, and I thought, why not freeze it? Maybe I can use it in a drink or something. And yeah, apparently I can make it a really nice and refreshing gin and tonic with it. It's Friday, I'm not gonna measure, so I'm gonna go with a double shot, probably. I think it is slightly even more than double. And I'm gonna top it up with my soda. Let's go and top it up. Perfect. I wanted to do something, but I just now remembered. I'm gonna make a thin slice of cucumber. And I want to put it inside my glass. Why not? Add more. And my sip for the Friday is ready already. Ready already. Cheers. Tastes perfect. Let's go and enjoy it in the sunshine. Bye for now. Oh, no, not bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're the Tipsy Duo. Let me know in the comments what you think, and try freezing your whatever fruit or vegetable juice you've got. You might use it one day. Cheers. Actually, let's go enjoy it together in the balcony now. Ooh. Cheers. It's all sunny and nice. Oh, I can't see anywhere though. I need my glasses.